Well, the Supreme Court ruling in favor of a former high school football coach today who says he was fired for praying on the field after games. This is a case that drew national attention over religious freedoms and the separation of church and state. Correspondent Tom Dempsey is live tonight with the latest on the decision. And Tom, the high court said the coach, Joe Kennedy, and his prayers are protected by the Constitution.
Yeah, that's right, Marnie. Yet another case led to people gathering outside the Supreme Court building here in D.C. This time, this case revolved around whether or not a high school football coach in Washington state could pray on the field after games. Outside the Supreme Court building on Monday, a ruling brought special prayers and what religious groups called a big win for the free exercise of faith.
I feel vindicated. That's the only way I can say it. And I'm just smiling. I can't stop smiling, thinking that 7 years of all this work and long drawn out fight has been absolutely worth it in the end.
High school football coach Joe Kennedy served as a central character. The school district he worked for in Washington state placed him on paid leave and then chose not to rehire him after raising concerns over Kennedy praying on the field after games. The district worried some students might feel pressure to join, but Kennedy said he always prayed on his own behalf.
This is about the freedoms of Americans. It had nothing to do with, trying to get people to join me or making people feel weird about what I do. It's just being, with the diversity and inclusion of everyone. That's what our school is about, and that's what our football program does.
On Monday, the High Court voted in Kennedy's favor, with Justice Neil Gorsuch writing for the majority, quote, "Respect for religious expressions is indispensable to life in a free and diverse republic." The decision got met with support from religious rights advocates.
What the court is doing is they're really reestablishing the rule of law, and they're just saying, look, you have the free exercise right.
Justice Sonia Sotomayor disagreed with the court's decision, writing in the dissent the ruling brought a disservice to the separation of church and state. Afterward, the legal team representing the school district worried about the impact of the case.
The Supreme Court failed them utterly. And in doing so, the conservative justices ignored the religious freedom of all in favor of the privileged few.
And Marnie, it's important to note that this ruling followed one from last week when the Supreme Court found that the state of Maine could not exclude religious schools from applying for a tuition program, a state tuition program. Both cases had the same 6-3 vote.
Tom, the school district responding at all to this ruling?
Yeah, the Bremerton School District in Washington state saying even after this ruling, it continues to offer a welcoming and inclusive environment for all students and staff. Marnie.
Tom Dempsey live in Washington tonight. Tom, thank you. Thank you for watching. Go to newsnationnow.com to find News Nation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of News Nation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.